morning, peeps. I'm sliding from town. Just a show on the weather and the traffic I go town to your right. See it? Traffic and the weather. And it's easier from my direction going back to Spanish Town side. So I beg you boss them town side, give them a chance, you know, for them all little leads. Built up like that in terms of traffic, but you know them are running at a leg now, so town was tight too. I went in town early this morning. Rain really a fall them time they put it start, you know. I think me hear some people say that today is supposed to break still like some depression, so they will tropical depression. Rainy vibes, you know.